Hi everyone, this is Jim with YouTube user JimLiElevators, and what you're seeing here is what used to be an old department store that is now converted into a parking garage. Anyways, I'm sure a lot of you guys go Christmas shopping, right? Well, as you know, Christmas is only 7 or 8 days away, so I'm pretty sure you guys would definitely love this video because what you're seeing here, this was a department store which is now converted into a parking garage. This is 1111 Main. So with that being said, you're gonna get a little exhibit of what this department store looked like before it became a parking garage. This former department store was called Sakowitz Bros, which originally opened its stores in 1951. And here you are seeing that was the couture department. These poster boards are an exhibit of what this department store looked like. See, this next one was a bridal saloon, and moving on shows a photo of the fabric shop. And finally, what you're seeing now is the actual building itself, back when it was still a Sakowitz at that time. See, this building was exactly like the one that's still standing today you just saw in the beginning of this video. And look at this hallway right here. Very Sakowitz style, and those are the elevators right there. We'll go check it out in a minute. Moving on to the other side of the wall, this was the Sky Terrace restaurant, which was designed in a Gulf Coastal colonial fashion. There was the Epicurean department, which offered a brand of gourmet chocolates. And finally, here is another view of the exterior itself. That's the history. See, look at the tiled flooring. See, it's still got the old Sakowitz style floor, as you can see right here. But as you can tell, it is now a parking garage like I mentioned earlier. And this is exactly what the interior looks like right now. You may still see a little bit of Sakowitz retro style fixtures into it, but for the most part, this whole entire interior has been gutted out. Anyways, now that I gave you a little backstory of what this building was originally, now we're gonna go check out the elevators. Anyways, you see right here, there's your elevator sign right there, but I'm not sure if that was added on during the conversion. But see those double doors right there? We're gonna go check out the elevators. So here we go. Here we come to the elevators at 111 Main Garage in downtown Houston, Texas, which this was formerly a Sakowitz department store. Skyvader just recently filmed these elevators, and I actually discovered these elevators back in 2018, but I didn't think about filming them because of the slap-on mod. But now realizing that they still got some original history to it, I figured, why not? So let's ride, here we go. Oh wow, look at this. It's an Otis, installed in 1951. Oh, this is exactly like your typical department store style elevator. Oh, that chime. I love that chime. Hanny, you are right. This elevator is still amazing. Innovation Decorator mod. See, look at this. They converted this whole thing into a parking garage, and right now this place is under construction, so we're not gonna camp out here. Wow. This is amazing. Wow, this is a beauty. This was still worth checking out. See if it has classic leveling. Oh yeah, it does. The chime in the basement is the only one that's still original. See, that right there is your original floor indicator, but unfortunately no longer works. I really wish they kept the original floor indicator working and added these on, but otherwise it's still a tasteful mod. I think the motor is still original. Unfortunately, the other elevator car does not work, so I think we'll take for one more ride and that'll be it. Alright, let's head back down to one end there. This obviously had black button fixtures long ago before. This is still nonetheless worth checking out. Hanny, I'm glad you still told me about this because I almost literally forgot about it. Get one last detailed cab view of this old beauty. And I absolutely love that original indicator. Very department store stylish looking elevator. All right, there it goes. And that's it.